What's up and welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a fork service on a set of WP XACT Pro forks. These forks are going on to a 2022 GasGas 250F. These forks were previously revalved and set up for desert hare and hound racing up in the northern Nevada area and sometimes down south in the southwestern area as well. These WP forks are known for having very good bottoming control due to the tall bottoming cones and also the spring tube design. Pair that with their very sensitive damper, and you have a fork that is not only very plush and compliant, but one that can be ridden hard and aggressive without excessive bottoming. More information on the WP XACT Pro forks can be found at ridejbi.com. You can find many images, videos, and detailed technical information. If you'd like Ride JBI to set up your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.